Hello K-Squad, in this video I'll show you how to prepare multi-grain some brown style cereal for your babies and for yourself. So first off, you select your grains. I have corn, that is maize, I have millet, I have guinea corn, and I have soya beans. You have to select them to take out all the dirt. Then you wash them and dry them. You can dry in the oven or you can sun dry them. So this is my guinea corn. Yeah, the white one. It's the first time seeing white guinea corn, so I'm using the white one. So you select out all the stone, all the dirt from it. You wash them thoroughly and you dry them. Then for my date, I'll take out the seed. This is how the date looks like when it's whole, but you have to open it up and take out the seeds. The date is quite strong, so you be careful when you're working on it. I've opened them, you open them in half, then you take out the seed. This is the seed I took out from the dates. So if you don't take out the seed, it will likely spoil your blender because the seed is quite strong. So you take them out, all the seeds from your dates. This is how it will look like when you're taking out the seeds from your dates. So this is all the dirt I got from selecting my grain. So imagine having this dirt in your grains and making your food with it. So that's the important reason for selecting your grains. So see all the grains I have: corn, millet, guinea corn. I added wheat to it and the soya beans. For your soya beans, you can go ahead to wash them, wash the outer peel out before you dry them. Then when you're done with this, you now toast your grains. You gently toast them on a dry pan for a few minutes, like 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. If you leave it longer, it may burn and your Tom Brown cereal will be very dark. So I added roasted peanuts. You can also add your roasted peanut, is a choice. Then I add plus my date. So these are all the items I will be blending. I'll take it to a commercial mill to grind because it's quite heavy. If you don't have a strong, very strong blender, it will spoil your blender. So I don't want to stress my food processor because what I'm grinding is plenty. So I'll take it to commercial mill to go and grind it. So the grains I used: corn, which is maize, millet, guinea corn, wheat, peanuts, soya bean and date. So this is what I got after blending. It's quite much. So see how smooth it is. See how smooth. So I have this glass jar. I don't know, I just like preserving them in this glass jar. You can preserve them in any airtight container you have. So I'll just go ahead to gently fill up my jars. I filled up 3 already. I still have some left over. So here is how we prepare it. So for 2 tablespoon, use 250 mils of water. Then you dissolve it. For 2 tablespoons, use 250 ml of water. You dissolve it, then set it up on a low heat. Make sure you dissolve all your powder in the water. Then on a low heat, you gently stir. You keep stirring till it gets to the consistency you want. You stir till you get to the consistency you want. For 2 to 5 minutes is okay. Depends how thick you want it. And one thing you get to know that it gets thicker upon cooling. When it's cooling down, it gets thicker. And here it is. So yummy. You can add your baby's milk or your breast milk to it.